Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today the topic is nouns. Can you please move over? I need some more. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. I need some more room. When we use room like this, it is uncountable. She's having trouble with her car. She needs a. This is human effort to make something move. A push. She needs a push. If you are a new student, welcome. Our games always start easy and then they get more difficult. On the trail, through the forest. We jumped over a. This is like a tiny river with flowing water. A stream. When Bob was in New York, he watched a. On Broadway. This is like a movie, but they don't film it. It just has actors on a stage, and many people in the audience watch it. A play. One play, two plays. That country has many natural. These are things like trees or hydroelectric power or minerals in the ground that they can dig up. One, resource. Two, resources. Food, clothing, and shelter are basic human. They are extremely important. Basic human needs. Need is a noun here. Countable. Jennifer ate most of the pizza, and we ate the. This means we ate the part that Jennifer didn't eat, the part that she left. The remainder. We also use the remainder in math. Please check your dictionaries. Bob has many pigs. He's a farmer. He buys pig once a month. This is what the pigs eat, but the answer is not food. He buys pig feed once a month to give to the animals to eat. Jennifer's family has a great. This means a great history. Her ancestors were all good people. American pronunciation, heritage. Bob is looking for work. He will go to a job. This is a big gathering with many people, and companies send representatives looking for workers, and possible workers go there looking for jobs. Sometimes they last for 2 or 3 days. A job fair. See you next time. Bye-bye.